Krishna and Krishna Dham and Krishna name, they have some vichar for this, aparad. They consider whether he is namaparadi or not, dhamaparadi or not. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu had nothing to do with this thing. Even aparadi, they tell, oh Gaur Nityananda Prabhu, then they bestow their mercies. So we should also be like that. If anyone does anything nonsense, we should tolerate and pray for him also. Don't have any envy to them. Nothing. So be like Nityananda Prabhu. Follow his footprints, and then Nityananda Prabhu will unconditionally he will bestow his mercy.
Hari Bol, 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 Gaur Nityananda Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Nityananda Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.